Yes guys, welcome back. Today we'll be looking at solving linear equations simultaneously. And our method of choice is the Cramer's rule. Let's get straight into it. In our step 1, we will write the equations in the form AX equal B, where A represents the 2 by 2 matrix, X represents the variables, and B represents the constants. All right, so let's go ahead and pull off our coefficients of the variables. In our first column, we have 2, 1, 1, and 3. In our second matrix, X, we have our variables X and Y. And that is equal to B, where we have 5 and 2. All right, that is our first step, guys. Writing the equations in the form AX equals B. Step number 2, we'll find the determinant of matrix A, and that is multiplying the main diagonal and subtracting the other diagonal. So what we have here, guys, is 2 multiplied by 3 minus 1 times 1. All right, so 2 times 3 is 6, minus 1 times 1 is 1. And that is equal to 6 minus 1 is 5. Already, guys. And so that is our determinant of A. Step number 3, we are finding the determinant of X. How do we do that? Well, what we do, guys, is to replace our first column in matrix A with the matrix B. That is 5 and 2. And our second column in matrix A more or less remains the same, which is 1 and 3. So dx now is equal to our main diagonal, which is 5 times 3, minus the other diagonal, which is 2 times 1. So we have 5 times 3 is 15. And 15 minus 2 times 1, 2. Okay? 15 minus 2 is 13. All right, guys? So we have 13 as our determinant of X. Our next step, guys, is step 4. Find X. X is determined by dividing the determinant of X by the determinant of A. Dx is equal to 13, as we would have seen in step number 3, divided by the determinant of A, which is 5. All right, guys, so our answer for X is 13 over 5. Amazing. Let's take a look at step number 5. In our step number 5, guys, we need to find dy, or the determinant of y. How do we do that? Well, we go back to the original matrix A, and we're going to write back the first column, which is 2. And the second column in matrix A, we'll replace that with B. And B is 5, 2. Okay, guys. So now we're going to find our determinant of y by multiplying the main diagonal. And that is 2 multiplied by 2 minus 1 by 5. 2 times 2 is 4. Take away 1 times 5 is 5. 4 minus 5 is negative 1. So dy is equal to negative 1. And our sixth and final step is to find y, given that we have already obtained the value for x in step number 4. Y is therefore equal to the determinant of y divided by the determinant of A. Okay? So our determinant of y is negative 1 divided by the determinant of A, which is 5. Alrighty, guys? So our answers are x is equal to 13 over 5 and y is equal to -1 over 5. And it is that simple, guys. It is that simple. See you next time.